Hello friends, we are here today to learn how to make this super fancy Zoo Crew Suite card. So I hope that you will watch and learn how to make this adorable card. Now I won't take credit for this card. Sorry, I want to make sure you can see my whole thing here. I won't take credit for this card because I copied it straight from the Stampin' Up catalog. Actually, copied it from the catalog and simplified it a little bit, changed up the colors, but I call that a pretty strong case. But I loved this suite, and honestly, I really wanted to show you some of the features of these dies that you don't see as much because we're so focused on all the cute little critters in this Zoo Crew suite. So you're going to want to get the whole suite. It's only $78.50, $161,319, but you're going to get the stamp set and dies, which there's dies to cut out all of the animals that you see here. Plus it matches with this cute designer paper that has a lot of animals on one side and black and white on the other. And then you've got this cute ribbon. So you want to definitely pick up the whole suite and go ahead and pick up an extra pack of that designer paper because it's so cute. I want to show you that there's 2 sheets of each designer paper. This one I've hacked up quite a bit, but you're going to have so many animals. You've got celebrating animals, you've got singing animals, you've got animals on the go, you've got dancing animals, you've got animals that are just doing any number of things, and camping animals, which is always a good use. So, and then the backs of all these papers have a black and white finish, and I'll show you some of the more creative things that my friends have done with that here in a minute. So, stay tuned to the end because you know I like to show my extra cards using the bundle. So we're going to start this card using a pool party base, and I've got a piece of designer paper here that I cut from the back of that paper, and then I've got a piece of lemon lolly cardstock that we're going to cut with this die. Now there's lots of dies in this set, but this is just one of them. Then we're going to cut some 2 of these curtains, and then we're going to cut these little things. I didn't know what they were at first, but they're little tie backs for the curtains. And then I rough cut out this cute guy from the cardstock, or from the designer paper, and we're going to put him through the emboss machine as well. All right, so let's get out our emboss machine and we'll do all of that fun embossing. I just wanted you to see these cool dies in action. So the good news is we can do a couple of matte ones. So we're going to do our white one here. We're going to cut our lemon lolly strip here. So this makes the top of the curtain. And I don't need it to be super wide. So I'm going to put it right there. That just kind of helps it stay in place. And then, I don't know, see if I can get this on here. I can at least do one of the curtains. Oh, of course my plate is here. All right, so let's go ahead and cut these sweeties. Now, this emboss machine also, one of the great things about it right now is if you don't have one of these yet, then this is the greatest time to get it. Because right now we have a starter kit special that's $155, $4.99. And our emboss machine you can never get on a starter kit generally because the limit typically on the starter kit is $125 for $99, but during June only, we get $155 for $99. So you can pick up that emboss machine for $99. That is a fabulous deal. Plus more stuff. You could get your favorite set of dies to go with that. So I want to make sure you understand this is a great time to buy the emboss machine. All right, I'm going to cut the little animal, and then I'm going to cut my second, what do you call that? Curtain. Gonna stick that down just so it doesn't goof around. And then I'm gonna line up my die with my little dancing cheetah. So cute. And some people have been puzzled why the paper has parts not colored, but I really like that because you can choose to color it whatever color you want. So I'll show you what I mean by that in a sec. All right, so we have our cute dancing cheetah cut out, and then our second, what you call that, curtain. So we're putting these dies to work, but I'll remind you, we have all these dies for the different animals, some balloons, a flower, a Christmas tree, and even like a little stand that you can put a little a jar on. So all kinds of cute. Here's some flowers. The dies go on and on. Okay, let's get to building this card. So I'm going to probably go ahead and build everything on this piece first. I made this card a really long time ago. So my Pretties team, if you've ever heard of us, it's my group of happy shoppers. And most of our happy shoppers are just that. They shop happily for discount products. And what we do is at the beginning of a new catalog, we get together and we each decide, we each make something from the new catalog. And we do a swap with new catalog products. So this was the card I chose to make for my new catalog swap. And so I made it, gosh, forever ago. I'm going to get these baby dimensionals because I don't want them to show through that little slit. I'm just being a little OCD, and that's fine. You guys may notice that my video this week is pre-recorded. I am going out of town with my daughter and wanted to still get a video to you guys. So I'm pre-recording it, but I'll release it on my usual Facebook Live time on Wednesday. I love my customers, and I would not want to leave you guys high and dry without something to inspire you this week. All right, so that is you're building your little curtains. Then we're gonna pop this. Did I make that too short? Where's my, yeah, sorry. So this is the stage, okay, and that's just gonna pop in right there. I'm going to attach it to this, like so, with Stampin Seal. Stick it in right there. So that's our whole little stage. Isn't that adorable? And then I'm keeping the sentiment section pretty simple with just a little snippet of basic white and memento, because we have a lot going on this card. So we're going to just keep the sentiment sweet and simple. Something great to celebrate you. And I'm going to just pop that down with a tiny bit of adhesive right there. All right, now we have this cute little, the tie backs. I knew, okay, I didn't lose them yet. So for these tiny little die cut pieces, you want to use take your pick tool. These are very cool. You need to get one. They're only $10. But you're just going to put a tiniest dab of glue here and a tiniest dab of glue here. And you're going to take that cute little tie back and you're going to put it one right here. Probably could have used a little less glue there. And then one right here. So you can see you don't need much glue at all, just a smidge. Isn't that cute? It took me a bit to figure out what those were, but when I did, I was thrilled. I think they're adorable. Now I need to find my lemon lolly blends. Let me see. I remember putting them in a strange place. So, you know, we have all these great new colors, but I'm totally obsessed with lemon lolly. It's a great yellow. You can't go wrong with it. But this is what I love about this. So since we made the curtains lemon lolly, we're going to go ahead and color her skirt to match. So we're just going to get that lemon lolly in here. Now, you can see that kind of pattern shows through because it's pretty strong. But once it dries, you don't see it. So no worries there. And we're going to pop her up with dimensionals. This little dancing cheetah is adorable. Oh, and I forgot her shoes. Of course, her point shoes are going to be bubble bath. Now, something to know about these blends is this blending marker is on not orderable status, and this one is on low inventory. So if you haven't gotten your blends yet, there are a bunch of them on low inventory. I don't know what, like the secret sauce of it just getting to that point where a lot of people had bought them, but you want to go ahead and pick up those blends lickety-split because there are tons of them on low inventory right now, which means they're almost on not orderable. That's what low inventory means. So you want to get them while you can, not after they're gone. And really, that's it. It's a very stepped up card using all the dies from the set. And you'll want to pick up the Zany Zoo stamp set, including the paper, the ribbon, all of the stuff that goes with it. So I'll tell you the best way to do this is with a Zany Zoo Starter Kit. And I've added this all up for you. Make sure you can see all of this. We've got the suite, the designer paper, the lemon lolly blends, the lemon lolly cardstock, pool party cardstock, a paper trimmer, which is awesome. I almost never can include that in what I tell people to get for their starter kit. I just assume people have one, but that's a great deal because you've got, and then you could put in a Stampin Seal, which is our adhesive. But that all totals $154, okay? And the starter kit special right now is $155 for $99. And not only do you get $155 for $99, there is 0 shipping, okay? So if you have not taken advantage of the starter kit special, it's only for June. You need to message me ASAP, okay? You've got a few days left in June to do this. I will be out of town, so we can kind of work on that. I've got someone that's working with me that can help you. So no worries. I'll be checking in from here to there. I will be at Disney, by the way, in case you're wondering. I want to show you some other projects I'm making with the Zany Zoo Suite. So one of my favorite classes that I do each month is my Stamp Technique Club. Oh, I see I got black ink on here. And we're making some more cards with the Zany Zoo. It's so cute. Is there anything cuter than this little frog that's playing an instrument? It's just adorable. And then our sweet singing turtle. And then I had just seen this card that used the Leporello technique. And honestly, I did not know what that was. I had to Google it. What is Leporello? But it's an accordion folded card. Or it just means accordion folded. So we're going to learn how to make this at Stamp Technique Club. We meet every month to learn new techniques. And I always try to find something that I've never found. And I always think that maybe I'm going to run out of techniques. And I still haven't after probably going on our 4th year. So we're going to learn how to do this. It's super fancy. And then we'll make these other 2 cute cards. So I'll have the information in the video here. You can click to find out more about Stamp Technique Club. It happens every month. On this July, it'll be on the 7th and the 8th. 7th at 10, on the 8th at 7. Or you can get it to go if you don't live in Central Arkansas. So you don't want to miss that. Now, let's see some other Zany Zoo cards. We have this little cutie. It's a little elephant card. And my little crocodile that's skating. And I made a pink version of this card too. That's the bubble bath. It's really cute. One of my team members, Janice Bagley, made this card. And this was part of our catalog case swap where she copied the catalog. And remember I told you about that black and white paper? What she's done is she's gone in with her blending markers or colored pencils, I'm not sure, and filled in those cute black and white flowers. We have a cute little card that features that cute lemon lime ribbon that's with the sweet. I made this card for a swap, which was super easy because I just cut these from the designer paper and colored that little raccoon with Pebbled Path. My friend Paula Bobbitt made this card, and she used a blending brush to put color on that black and white paper. And then you can see she's got some speckling here and colored that ballerina just adorably. And this is one of the cards that we're making at Stamp Technique Club with our Zany Zoo. So make sure and message me if you'd like to try the Technique Club and learn how to make that Leporello card. Super fun, and make some more Zany Zoo projects. Don't forget the Zany Zoo Starter Kit. You can get $155 for $99. June only, no shipping. And this is what I recommend there. I will have all the item codes and everything typed in to this video. If you're watching me on YouTube or on Facebook, it'll be in the information of the Facebook video. So make sure and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. I am on Facebook Live and YouTube every week. Facebook Live at Wednesdays at 1 Central. And then my video gets uploaded shortly after that to YouTube. So you don't want to miss another video. All right, friends. Have a great week. And I will see you next Wednesday.